Metoprolol hydrochlorothiazide, metoprolol HCTZ. 1. Generic name, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, metoprolol tartrate plus hydrochlorothiazide HCTZ. Drug class, metoprolol, selective beta-1 adrenergic blocker, beta blocker, hydrochlorothiazide, thiazide diuretic, antihypertensive. Common brand names, low pressor HCT, Metozide, availability varies by country. Generic metoprolol HCTZ tablets. Drug forms, oral tablets, tablet strengths, examples, 50 milligrams, 25 milligrams, 100 milligrams, 25 milligrams, 100 ml, 50 milligrams. Number 2, definition. Metoprolol hydrochlorothiazide is a fixed-dose combination antihypertensive medication containing a beta blocker, metoprolol, and a thiazide diuretic, hydrochlorothiazide. It lowers blood pressure by reducing heart workload while simultaneously removing excess sodium and water through the kidneys. Number 3, mechanism of action. Metoprolol selectively blocks beta-1 adrenergic receptors in the heart, decreases heart rate, negative chronotropic effect, reduces myocardial contractility, slows AV node conduction, decreases cardiac output, reduces renin secretion from kidneys, lowers blood pressure. Hydrochlorothiazide acts on the distal convoluted tubule of the nephron, inhibits sodium chloride transporter, increases excretion of sodium, chloride, water, increases potassium loss, reduces blood volume, decreases peripheral vascular resistance, lowers blood pressure. Number 4, pharmacokinetics. Metoprolol absorption, well absorbed orally, bioavailability 40 to 50%. Distribution. Protein binding 10 to 12%. Metabolism, extensive hepatic metabolism, CY2D6 enzyme. Half-life 3 to 7 hours. Excretion primarily urine as metabolites. Hydrochlorothiazide. Absorption 60 to 80%. Protein binding 40 to 70%. Half-life 6-15 hours. Metabolism minimal. Excretion unchanged in urine. Number 5. Uses hypertension, patients requiring combination therapy, blood pressure control, prevention of stroke due to hypertension, prevention of cardiovascular complications, long-term management of essential hypertension. Number 6. Indications. Essential hypertension, hypertension uncontrolled with single-agent therapy, patients benefiting from beta blocker plus diuretic therapy. Number 7. Contraindications. Do not use in patients with allergy to metoprolol, allergy to hydrochlorothiazide, sulfonamide allergy relative, severe bradycardia, second or third degree AV block, cardiogenic shock, sick sinus syndrome without pacemaker, acute decompensated heart failure, severe hypotension, anuria, severe renal failure relative, severe hepatic impairment, use cautiously. Number 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Use cautiously in patients with diabetes mellitus, asthma, COPD, kidney disease, liver disease, gout, hyperuricemia, electrolyte imbalance, pregnancy, breastfeeding, elderly patients, peripheral vascular disease, thyroid disorders, history of severe allergic reactions. Monitor blood pressure, heart rate, potassium, sodium, magnesium, calcium, kidney function, blood glucose, uric acid. Number 9. How to use. Take exactly as prescribed. Swallow tablet whole with water. May be taken with food. Take at the same time every day. Preferably take in the morning because HCTZ increases urination. Do not crush unless instructed. Continue even if feeling well. Monitor blood pressure regularly. Number 10. Dosing information. Adults, hypertension. Typical starting dose, metoprolol 50 milligrams plus HCTZ 25 milligrams once daily, may increase to metoprolol 100 milligrams plus HCTZ 25 milligrams daily. Maximum dose depends on the individual product and clinical response. Dose adjustment should be guided by a healthcare provider. Number 11. Misdose and overdose. Misdose, take as soon as remembered. Skip if nearly time for the next dose. Never double the dose. Overdose. Symptoms: severe hypotension, very slow heartbeat, fainting, shock, difficulty breathing, confusion, seizures, extreme drowsiness, low blood sugar, electrolyte disturbances. Emergency management: seek immediate emergency medical care. Continuous cardiac monitoring and supportive treatment are required. Number 12. Stop or avoid taking. Do not stop suddenly because this may cause severe hypertension, chest pain, heart attack, serious arrhythmias. Avoid alcohol, excessive heat, dehydration, potassium depletion, NSAIDs without medical advice, excessive salt intake. Number 13. Side effects. Common dizziness, fatigue, weakness, slow heart rate, increased urination, headache, cold hands and feet, dry mouth, nausea, constipation. NASH serious, severe hypotension, syncope, bradycardia, heart block, heart failure, electrolyte imbalance, hypokalemia, hyponatremia, kidney injury, hyperglycemia, hyperuricemia, gout attacks, allergic reactions, Stevens-Johnson syndrome, rare, pancreatitis. Number 14, vital information. Monitor blood pressure regularly. Check pulse before taking each dose. Contact a healthcare provider if heart rate is below 50 to 60 beats per min, or as instructed. Do not discontinue abruptly. Monitor electrolytes periodically. Stay hydrated. Diabetic patients should monitor blood glucose closely. Avoid dehydration during hot weather. Rise slowly from sitting or lying positions to reduce dizziness. Keep follow-up appointments for blood tests and blood pressure checks. Number 15. Other drugs that will affect metoprolol HCTZ. Antihypertensives, ACE inhibitors, ARBs, calcium channel blockers, alpha blockers, nitrates effect. Increased risk of hypotension. NSAIDs, ibuprofen, naproxen, diclofenac effect, reduced antihypertensive effect, and possible kidney impairment. Digoxin, increased risk of bradycardia and AV block. Insulin and oral antidiabetic drugs. Metoprolol may mask symptoms of hypoglycemia. HCTZ may increase blood glucose levels. Lithium, increased lithium toxicity. Corticosteroids, increased potassium loss. Other beta blockers, excessive slowing of heart rate. Clonidine, increased risk of rebound hypertension if either drug is stopped improperly. CYPD6 inhibitors, fluoxetine, paroxetine, quinidine effect, may increase metoprolol levels. 16. Drug comparison, metoprolol, HCTZ, BS metoprolol alone, metoprolol, HCZ beta blocker plus diuretic. More effective blood pressure reduction, increases urination, risk of electrolyte imbalance, suitable for patients needing combination therapy. Metoprolol alone, beta blocker only, less diuretic effect, lower risk of electrolyte disturbances, often preferred when fluid removal is not needed. Metoprolol, HCTZ vis atenolol, chlorthalidone, metoprolol, HCTZ shorter-acting beta blocker, tartrate formulation. Hydrochlorothiazide has a shorter duration of diuretic action, often requires individualized dosing. Atenolol, chlorthalidone. Atenolol is another B1 selective blocker. Chlorthalidone generally provides a longer duration of blood pressure control than hydrochlorothiazide. Chlorthalidone may cause more electrolyte disturbances in some patients. Number 17. Patient teaching. Take the medication exactly as prescribed. Do not stop the medicine suddenly without medical advice. Take it at the same time every day, preferably in the morning. Check your blood pressure and pulse regularly and keep a record. Learn how to measure your pulse and report a persistently slow heart rate, dizziness, fainting, or severe fatigue. Follow a low-sodium, heart-healthy diet and maintain a healthy weight. Stay adequately hydrated, especially during hot weather, while avoiding excessive fluid restriction unless advised. Eat potassium-rich foods only if recommended by your healthcare provider, as potassium needs vary. Rise slowly from sitting or lying positions to reduce dizziness. Limit alcohol intake because it can increase dizziness and lower blood pressure further. Inform your healthcare provider if you have diabetes, asthma, kidney disease, liver disease, or gout. If you have diabetes, monitor blood glucose regularly because metoprolol may mask symptoms of low blood sugar, and HCTZ may increase blood glucose. Avoid over-the-counter NSAIDs, such as ibuprofen or naproxen, unless approved by your healthcare provider. Keep all follow-up appointments for blood pressure checks and laboratory tests, electrolytes, kidney function, and blood glucose. Seek immediate medical attention for chest pain, severe shortness of breath, fainting, swelling of the face or throat, or signs of a severe allergic reaction. Thank you. Have a nice day.